Greetings friends! Welcome back to Wanderlust channel. In this video, we'll be taking part in the Uniting Communities Pow Wow 2023, held on July 24, 2023 in Salt Lake City. Let's dive right into the experience. The powwow serves as a social and ceremonial gathering rooted in Native American traditions, encompassing dance, music, singing, and various other cultural activities. Utah recognizes 8 Native Indian tribes, and this particular powwow brings together these communities. The event took place on July 24, 2023, following the Pioneer Day Parade, commencing at 12 p.m. and extending until 10 p.m. This video showcases clips of the vibrant dance and music performances during the gathering. Additionally, attendees had the opportunity to explore stalls offering products crafted by these communities or items traditionally used by Native peoples. The powwow stands as a meaningful occasion for cultural exchange and appreciation.
Give thanks for all the many blessings, especially the life that we have, and able to walk on this world, and able to see, talk, and walk, and listen to all the beautiful things around us. Thank you for this powwow. You brought a lot of different tribes, a lot of our brothers and sisters, our old friends, new friends, the young ones, the little ones, the baby ones.
Nowadays our warriors, or the college students, they're coming back to a reservation to help our people. And the acknowledgement of what they gained. And nowadays, we have a lot of female veterans out there in the military armed forces. Some of them never made it back, some of them are still over there. So this dance is for them, the victory. Wajaha! Wajaha! Shorty, hey, come. No, it's Mosanlini, come here. Mosanlini, Ehones, Salazoi, Hatayo Sumaho. They War I, War II, all down to Desert Storm. Still going on. So this song goes out to them. We're glad the song is coming and you can hear it. native people coming back to our reservation and helping our people. To all the little ones that are helping out, learning to help our people. Those are our warriors, our aunts, nieces, sisters. They're all out there in the military. I hope they hear this song to honor them. Hey, looking good, dancers. Aho! Victory song. Celebrate the great happiness of our people that the warriors have brought back among our people. song and brings back the memories, like I said. chance here. We got good items.
I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for similar content in the future. Until the next one, goodbye.